So hi friends, this is Amit, and as you all know, the first round allotment of Amrita Counseling is done now. That is one day earlier it is released. Earlier it was supposed on 24th you will get the first round allotment. But what to do now? Once you get the allotment, what to do now? So if you haven't got anything, you don't need to think much, you don't need to pay anything. You will able to change the preferences also, but do it very carefully. Once you do any mistake, you are not going to get best out of your rank. I am repeating this statement again and again because I have seen many students in previous year have done the mistake. So it is advisable to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, so that I can guide you for everything till your admission is done. And not only Amrita, after this I will guide you for other counseling also. This is about the student who didn't get anything. If you talk about the student who got anything, they will not able to edit the choices or add any type of choices. So this is fixed and you have to pay 1 lakh, then only you will able to do the sliding process, or you can accept that seat. If you are very sure that you have got the seat that you were looking for, you can confirm that seat and you will be done with the counseling and you will take the admission. And if you don't want to take that seat, and if you don't want to go for the further rounds, that means you are not paying 1 lakh, then you will be out of the counseling. That is 100% sure. So these are the things you need to keep in your mind, because once you do mistake now, your counseling might be done or you will not get the best out of your rank. So this is the information regarding the Amrita Counseling, what you need to do next, because I have seen in previous year many students did the mistake at this time, because this is the very important time. And one more thing, the student who are registered with me for the counseling, I would like to tell you, don't take any type of decision in a hurry. I will discuss with you everything so that you can take the better decision. You will get best out of your rank in the next round for sure. Don't worry for that, because that is my responsibility. And the student who are not registered with me, if you want, you can register with me so that I can guide you for all type of counseling guidance. One time you have to register with me, then I will guide you for all the counseling that you will do this year without any extra charges. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe, and very soon I will provide you the cutoff video of round 1 so that you can take the reference from this, and that will help you in the further round. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe.